In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post tweets to Discord automatically. By the end, your server will pull in tweets from a specific account without you lifting a finger, keeping your community updated in real time or as close to real time as your plan allows. First, head over to IFTTT. This service connects apps using simple automations, and the flow we'll build is if a new tweet is posted by a user, then send it to Discord. Once you're on IFTTT, create a new applet. For the if this part, search for Twitter and choose the trigger called New Tweet by User. Enter the exact Twitter handle you want to monitor. Be precise here, the trigger follows the handle you specify, and small typos can stop the automation from firing. Now for the then that action, choose the option for a Discord webhook. This tells IFTTT where to send the tweet. It will ask for your webhook URL, so let's grab that from Discord. Open your Discord server, go to the channel where you want tweets to appear, open the channel settings and find integrations. Create a new webhook or select an existing one, then copy the webhook URL. Paste that URL into IFTTT. You can usually customize the message format in the action. Keeping the tweet text, the link and the author is a good, readable setup. Save the applet. From now on, whenever that user posts a new tweet, IFTTT will push it to your server. A quick heads up, free plans on IFTTT may introduce delays. That means tweets might not appear instantly. A short wait is normal. If timing is critical, consider that before you rely on it for time-sensitive alerts. To keep everything clean and organized, I recommend dedicating a channel just for tweets. Create a channel named something like Twitter Feed. In that channel's permissions, disable send messages for regular members so your feed doesn't get buried by conversation. Make sure embed links is allowed so tweets show up with proper formatting and previews. Finally, pin a message at the top that reads, "Tweets are posted automatically here." That way, anyone who joins your server instantly understands what the channel is for and why they can't type there. That's it. You've connected IFTTT to Discord using a webhook, targeted a specific Twitter handle, and set up a clean channel so updates stay readable. Give it a little time for the first post to appear, especially on free plans, and you'll have an automated Twitter to Discord pipeline up and running.